The CFA exam isn't just a test of knowledge, it's a full-day marathon. The morning session hits like a sprint, and the afternoon, it can feel like a slog. I remember my own exam morning. I was nervous but focused, razor sharp. Quant and financial statement analysis were only tested in the morning, so I told myself, this is the window. Use that early energy to crush the heavy math while your brain's firing on all cylinders. But later that day, it was a different battle. Fatigue hit right around question 100. My pace slowed and silly mistakes, like misreading a ratio, started creeping in. There were still 2 hours to go. That's when I realized I didn't just need a study plan, I needed an energy plan. Strategy 1, caffeine smart. Sip, don't slam. A steady drip through the morning keeps you alert without the 2 p.m. crash. Think steady focus, not sugar rush. Strategy 2, light lunch. Skip the burger and fries. Heavy food is a heavy brain. Go for salad and lean protein to stay fueled without the food coma. Strategy 3, reset during the break. Breathe, stretch, let the morning go. Whatever happened in that first session is done. Overthinking it won't help. Your only job is to reset and refocus. Strategy 4, don't get stuck on traps. In the afternoon, your energy dips. Don't waste it on tricky questions. Guess, flag, move on. Time management beats perfectionism every time. Strategy 5, stay hydrated all day. Sip water between questions. Dehydration fog hits harder after lunch, and it will hurt your memory recall if you're not careful. Remember, crush the morning with focus, pace your caffeine intake and meals, reset your mindset, skip the traps, and hydrate nonstop. That's your blueprint to own the full day and cross the finish line strong. This has been another Exam Strategy Spotlight, powered by UWorld, your partner in passing.